And into the corridors of justice, where a High Court ruling has reignited debate over Kenya's electoral calendar after finding that the Constitution requires the next presidential election to be held in August 2026. Yes, and we are in August currently. However, the court suspended the effect of its declaration, allowing the 2027 general election to proceed. The decision was aimed at avoiding disruption to the country's constitutional order and political stability, even as the ruling raises fresh questions about the interpretation of Kenya's electoral timeline. Edna Nerea reports.
Kenya's 2027 general election has come under fresh legal scrutiny after the High Court ruled that the Constitution required the next presidential election to be held in August 2026. In a judgment delivered in Malindi, Justice Mugure Thande declared the current presidential election timeline unconstitutional, finding that the Constitution required the next election to be held in August 2026. However, she suspended the implementation of the ruling until after the 2027 general election. Justice Mugure Thande, citing Articles 2, 310, 136.1, 136.2a, 142.1 to 49, 259.1, and 259.5c of the Constitution, she ruled that the presidential term is tied to the constitutional election date rather than a fixed 5-year period, finding the IEBC current electoral timetable inconsistent with the Constitution. Beyond its constitutional declarations, the court struck out the remaining prayers in the petition and ordered that each party meets its own legal costs. Attention now shifts to whether the ruling will influence future electoral reforms and the interpretation of Kenya's constitutional election calendar. Edna Nerea, KUTV, Nairobi.